Today, nandito kami sa Century City, Makati para manood ng Superman the movie. We also wanted to find out kung maganda ba yung cinema nila and yung chairs because it is very important to us to enjoy the experience. And syempre, bago kami pumasok sa loob ng cinema, I had to check out Mary Grace to get some coffee and snacks. Pero na-surprise ako kasi yung ticket ko pala or movie ticket ko for the cinema, meron ng free coffee of my own choosing from Toby's Estate. So, hindi ko na pala kailangan bumili ng kape kung alam ko lang. So, instead, bumili na lang ako ng Taters na popcorn, which is my favorite. I also got the white cheddar and barbecue for my family members. And chinek ko na nga yung poster ng Superman the movie. I'm super excited. So far, so good. Maganda yung feeling ko inside the cinema. And the staff was really helpful. Kapag may tinatanong ako, ginaguide nila ako ng maayos. And this is what I really wanted to feel. Partly because hindi talaga crowded yung area. At dahil dito, we were able to really enjoy the movie and relax. The chairs were super comfy and I really prefer the cinema over the other cinemas in Makati. For now, kasi hinaantay ko pang matapos yung renovation ng Greenbelt and ng Glorieta. So, for my review kung maganda ba yung The Superman the movie, I was really shocked na maganda yung storyline niya. James Gunn really took the time na ayusin yung script and there were a lot of moments na hindi ko talaga mahuhulaan kung ano yung mangyayari. I like the fact na hindi star-studded yung Superman the movie and because of that, we were able to focus on the story and what is going on. I know a lot of things are politicized these days, pero itong movie na to, I give it 10 out of 10 for the storyline and very lovable actually yung mga characters. And I found the Superman actors, etong lead actor, very refreshing sa kanyang take. And it felt heartfelt yung acting niya talaga. There were so many intense moments. I also love the fact that they took the time to promote and market dito sa Pilipinas. Talagang yung entire cast went here and mas makakapag-focus ka actually sa story and they stayed true to the comics. There were so many elements na na-excite talaga akong panoodin. So many emotions. And for the first time, excited talaga ako manood ng isang. It was a superhero movie na pinag-isipan. Super na-enjoy ko siya. And it contained a different formula, a different type of editing. And ma-enjoy mo ulit. Actually, it felt like watching an 80s classic movies. And I give it 10 out of 10 talaga siya. This Superman movie to me was very enjoyable and it's going to be something that I'm going to expect in other superhero movies as well. I also love the fact that the Superman cast took the time to visit the Philippines and promote here. So